welcome back to Just Being C'Aira. Today's video is in collaboration with two other fellow YouTubers known as Sherelle. You guys can find her over at Crafty Girl Down South. And then you also have Daniel with his YouTube name being Second Chance Love. So today I'm going to be making some cute little Valentine's Day cookies, as I'm going to share the recipe with you all and show you guys how to make them. And I'm also going to show you guys how they turn out. So stay tuned and check out the playlist linked in the description box down below, as we are about to give you a lot of great ideas for Valentine's Day, whether it be a tasty treat or a decorated tiered tray, or we can share a gift idea, or we can decorate a place in our home. So be sure to check out the playlist, as each of us are doing different things.
Alright, so in order to make the best Valentine's sugar cookies, you're going to need 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of water, 3 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, you're going to cream your butter, and like I said, it needs to be at room temperature. If it's not like mine, just put it in the microwave for under 30 seconds and then add in your sugar, and then you'll add in your vanilla. Alright, so next you're going to add in your 1 egg and then your water, and you'll beat it until it's light and fluffy, just like this. Combine your flour, baking powder, and salt together in a separate container or a separate bowl, and then you will mix all of that up using a fork, or you can use a spoon, and then you will sift it into your wet ingredients, as it would say. Alright, so go ahead and have your oven set to 375 to bake these cookies for 6 to 8 minutes. But until then, go ahead and spray your cooking sheet with some cooking spray, and then go ahead and have aluminum foil lined up on your pan. Go ahead and blend your dry mixture into your creamed mixture, and then you will divide the dough in half and wrap each half in wax paper or plastic wrap, and you'll chill that in your refrigerator for about an hour. So you can go ahead and use your fingers to smush it together. There are going to be smaller pieces that won't stick to the dough until you actually put it into this plastic wrap. So you need 2 strips of plastic wrap. Divide your dough into half, and then go ahead and just wrap it up and smush it at the same time. And then, like I said, it goes in the refrigerator for about an hour. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and start working on the icing. So you will need 2 cups of powdered sugar. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Go ahead and start stirring everything all up together. Stir in teaspoons of milk one at a time until you reach your desired consistency, which, as you can see here, it's going to take me a couple of teaspoons to reach that consistency after adding in. But it's, like I said, to your desired consistency. So as you guys can see here, I have finally reached my consistency for the icing that I want, and I'm still waiting on the cookie doughs to chill in the refrigerator for up to the 1 hour. So like I said, meanwhile, I'm just making the icing. I'm going to dump a little bit of icing into each container. I have neon pink, I have purple, and I have red. I'm going to use those 3 colors to make each one a different color. One of them will be light pink, another one will be neon pink, another one will be purple, another one red, and then we'll leave one to be white. Alright guys, so I think that I've reached my consistency of the way that I want my colored icing. So I have white, I have a light pink, a darker pink, a red, and a purple. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take out the 2 doughs that are wrapped in plastic wrap and have been chilling in the refrigerator for an hour, and just go ahead and unwrap it. And then I'm going to get out my pen roller and roll the dough out. And I have a heart cookie cutter that I found in my Wilton cookie cutting kit that comes with 101 cookie cutters. So I got that at Walmart for about $9. And so I'm just gonna roll this out into a flat surface so that I can get as many cookies out of it as possible. So here's the second dough. The first dough I've already rolled out, and I'm just going to use my cookie cutter to go ahead and get as many heart-shaped cookies out of this flat surface of dough, and then I will roll it again and try to get more made out of it. So each dough made about 9 cookies each, and then you are going to bake these on 375 for about 6 to 8 minutes. I did spray the pan before putting these cookies onto the pan, and so just be careful when making these by taking them out the oven before the edges get too brown or overbake. Alright, so as you guys can see here, there are 3 cookies already put out onto the sheet. I'm just laying them out flat, and I'm laying them a little bit separated. You can fit 9 on to the sheet to put into the oven at one time. I just decided to go ahead and put 5 in the first time and then put 9 in the second time. So here it is halfway through. I went ahead and checked them, and then I went ahead and took them out after being in the oven for 8 minutes. They did not turn brown. They actually turned out really soft, and they actually turned out really good. So here is about 5 of the actual cookies that I wanted to do. I only picked out 5 just so I can show you guys the white icing being on one, the light pink, darker pink, the purple, and the red being on these actual cookies. I do not have a better froster for cookies than this. So I felt like if I dripped it on there, it would eventually move around and basically fill the cookie. But you only need a little bit of icing for each of these cookies. So like I said, recipes down in the description box down below. Be sure to check out the playlist. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day treat video. And I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel. And I hope that you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching.